If you have high blood pressure, maintaining your blood pressure or keeping it below the recommended level can actually decrease your stroke risk by 30 to 40%. Similar, something you have to be cognizant of is if you have AFib. Again, people who have atrial fibrillation, they have a 3 to 5-fold increased risk of stroke compared to someone who doesn't have AFib. So it really is important that if you have any of these medical conditions, that whatever medications you've been prescribed, that you follow the instructions and the dosage that you've been prescribed by a physician, and that there is other healthier choices that can also help manage them. So for example, when you think of high cholesterol and high blood pressure, diet and exercise are two behaviors that you can do and proactively do yourself that will also help to manage these conditions. So looking at some stroke stats and facts, just to kind of bring a bigger picture of the impact of stroke here in Ontario and Canada. Stroke is the third leading cause of death and disability in Canadian adults. More women die of a stroke than breast cancer. The number of Canadian adults living with the effects of stroke is equivalent to the population of New Brunswick. And at least every 30 minutes, there's a new stroke victim in Ontario. So it's definitely a prevalent chronic condition that has probably touched many of our lives in some shape or form.